ESAY, a world made for your constructional needs. In this video, we will be talking about our ESAY app. To embark with, let's start with the homepage of ESAY, Engineering Sources Around You. Well, yes, we do bring all the engineering sources together. When we say it all, we really mean it. Here you can find the contacts of myriad types of contractors, consultants, engineers, workforce, machinery and material suppliers. Along with that, all the essential information related to construction sector is also available. Presently, we all know what staying updated with the time means. But don't you worry about that all. We have got your back in here too. With all the new updates, whether it's about the new materials, machineries, new practices and information in construction sector, career opportunities or any news around the world, we endo with everything here. Next, moving to engineering info, by the name itself, it's clear that here we present all the information related to engineering. This information is further very well categorized into 6 parts, and they are, firstly, Indian infrastructure, where you can know all about dams, roads and airports and all other infrastructure in our country. This information will be useful to the engineers in the departments and students of engineering. Secondly, builders and consultants info. Since the government of India and all the state governments have some set of rules and regulations which are mandatory to follow for any kind of construction work, that will be accessible here and updated from time to time. Further, contractors info. Here you can get information about types of contracts, registration procedure, important clauses, GST rates, etc. and one can access all the tenders across India in ESAY app. Nextly, engineers info. In this, we can get information such as guidelines for buildings, bridges, railways, electrical, irrigation and water resources, water supply and environment, roads, construction material, software for engineers, guidelines for site engineers, etc. Schedule of rates. Here you can get the standard data and schedule of rates set by all the state governments and Government of India. New in construction. In this category, you can find all the information associated to the new practices and technologies in construction sector. Next comes the conversions. Do you want to deal easily with the hard conversions coming in your way? If yes, then the best place for that is our conversion page. Here we provide the conversion calculator for all the units such as length, area, weight, stress, etc. which are helpful for field engineers as well as engineering students. For any kind of conversion required, all you have to do is to visit this app and yes, you can get it all. Nextly, presenting you with the careers section. All kinds of job seekers, especially engineers from civil, mechanical and electrical background, can find the jobs as per their interests. With our constantly updating team, you can stay updated with the latest vacancies across India. The good part here is that we cover the jobs both in private as well as government sectors. If you are registered with us with your current and updated profile as an engineer, then you may get contacted directly by the contractors and builders available here. Ultimately, here comes the news section. One thing that everyone needs to be kept updated with, since we know how much one in the constructional business needs it. So yes, this is it. You have successfully reached the app that will keep you updated with all the latest happenings in the construction industry across the world. Coming to the registry, as you can see here, we have different types of signups available for different types of users, but mainly 2 types of logins. One is the ESAY login. This is for the consultants, contractors, machinery and material suppliers, testing labs, engineers seeking employment and workforce. And the other, the user login. This is for all other users. So all you need to do is to put yourself in one of these categories and keep on exploring ESAY app. That's all for now. Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe and hit the bell icon for many more updates.